How to archive emails in Outlook on browser. This tutorial shows you how to move emails out of your inbox without deleting them. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com, then log into your account. From there, find the email you want to archive in your inbox. After that, right-click on the email to bring up the Options menu. At this point, click Archive from the list. This will move the email out of your inbox and into your archive folder, where it can still be accessed anytime. Following this, if you want to archive multiple emails at once, hover over each email and check the box that appears on the left side to select them. From here, once you have all the emails selected, right-click and choose Archive to move them all at once. If you want to find your archived emails later, just look for the Archive folder in your left side panel. Everything you've archived will be stored there and is fully searchable, so nothing gets lost. Keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. Archived emails are just moved out of your inbox and can be restored at any time, while deleted emails go to your trash and are eventually permanently removed. That's how you archive emails in Outlook on browser. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.